Welcome to our tour of the Leonardo Royal Southampton Grand Harbour Hotel. In this video we'll show you the lobby, the bar restaurant and of course our standard double room. But stay tuned because later in the video is our favourite part of the hotel.
If you've not met us before, we're Paul and Carole Loves to Travel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for future video notifications.
Ideally located on West Quay Road in Southampton, it's great for shopping and it's also great if you're joining a cruise ship. Okay, let's show you around. They do a great breakfast and they've also got very friendly staff. The glass-fronted bar lounge area really was very impressive and it wasn't too expensive for a drink either. Right, let's take you up to the room.
Here we are.
Good afternoon.
So this is on the first floor. So if we start over just this side of the room, we'll show you actually to start with our fabulous view. Ta-da! But there we are. It's a roof, but not to worry. We will be going out and exploring Southampton. So nice big double bed with 4 pillows, which is Paula's must have, isn't it? You like your pillows, with a nice big television there. Well, not a huge TV. What would you say? 32? Where is it? 32 inch.
But it's quite close to the
yeah.
This more than adequate.
So plugs, obviously British plugs, and reading lights. Anything else to add there? Really, just your brochure there from Leonardo Hotels. And then if we pan round here, you've got just some seats and some coffee and tea and some little shortbread biscuits there, and you can get complimentary water, which is here, and obviously you can get room service too, which is breakfast $14.95. But we actually paid, we booked through booking.com, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we paid, it was $99 for the room.
Well, that was including breakfast.
That was including breakfast. So, but just a little tip, we just come in and for parking, we've just had to go into the main car park, like you're parking at the main shopping centre, isn't it? And then you come in and then you pay here, and it's actually £10 for parking. We're here for one night. It's £11, which, you know, but it is what it is. So anyway, back to room service, and you can see on here that you can get anything you like, really. Small plates, healthy options, pizzas. You can get sticky toffee pudding, and you can also get drinks. So Grey Goose vodka, $4.95. So not too bad actually. Beautiful hotel as you walk in. What rooms are? Would you say this is quite dated?
It's quite. When you see how lovely the reception area is.
Yeah.
You come into this room and
It's quite.
I mean, it's lovely, but
Yes.
it is very dated.
Yeah.
Whereas it's real ultra modern downstairs.
Exactly. So if we just got big wardrobe spaces here. You've got an iron and an ironing board.
And a fan in the bottom as
Oh,
well.
and a fan, which I'm sure we're going to need. We've come to Southampton today, it's 30 degrees in England, can you believe it? And then you've got a fridge here, which is great. Nothing in the fridge, but we just put our water and Coke in there. And we've got just some more space there. Mention the TV, and in here we've got a safe, which is always good. decent size, yeah, and a hairdryer. So, and then we've got ensuite. So we're just going to go in here now. Just dust the aircon, obviously, just turn it right down to 19 because it's so warm. And it looks like an accessibility room because you've got obviously the steps into the bath, decent size with all the handrails, and obviously the rail by the loo as well. So nice big bathroom. And you've got some little soap and stuff there, and a shaving mirror.
It's nice and light
And
here
shaver,
as well.
it is, a shaver plug. So yeah, so nice and light support. You can see his whiskers. So yeah, so first impressions, beautiful hotel as you drive up to, isn't it? Beautiful reception. Very happy with our room for what we've paid, and we think we're going to be happy here. Only here for one night. We're visiting the Crown Princess in the morning, so looking forward to that too.
Right, now on to our favourite part of the hotel. When it's night time, the front of the building lights up like a beautiful blue pyramid, and it really is a lovely place to sit outside and have a lovely drink, weather permitting of course. Watch this video next for more ideas of where to stay in Southampton.
Thanks for watching.